No matter where you are within the Amplify Science curriculum website, you will always see an icon that looks like three horizontal lines in the top left corner. This is called the Global Navigation icon, and when you select it, the Global Navigation menu will open. I'm going to show you the helpful resources that this menu contains. First, you'll notice your name and username, a logout button, and Go to My Account. Selecting Go to My Account will open your account settings in a new tab. The Help Center, which is located at my.amplify.com/help, will contain articles with more information if you'd like to learn about what you can do with the My Account feature. Underneath Go to My Account, you'll see a number of icons. The icons in your global navigation menu will depend on which units you have access to. For demonstration purposes, I'm enrolled in all of the units, so I have many more icons than you will likely see in your account. Another thing that varies is their organization, so also note that your icons may be in a different order than what you see here. One of the first icons that all teachers will see is an orange library icon. Teachers of grades 6 through 8 will also see orange gradebook and reporting icons as well. Selecting any of these icons will launch the feature in a new tab. Again, more information on each of these features can be found on the Amplify help site. Teachers of grades 2 through 8 will see a bunch of icons that vary in number, color, and design. The variation is due to the fact that these icons are links to the digital simulations, or sims, that will be used in the respective units that you specifically will be teaching. The name of the unit is listed directly underneath each sim icon for easy recognition. For instance, here we can see that I have access to the force and motion simulation, the simulation for the natural selection unit, the Earth Systems sim, and many others. Again, the specific ones that you see will be based on the units that you are teaching or that you share access to. Selecting any of these sim icons will launch that sim in a new tab. Links to the sims will also be embedded in the step-by-step tab of the instructional guide when activities call for them to be used. But if you ever wanted to access one directly without finding an activity that uses it, you can do so here in the Global Navigation menu. For teachers of grades 2 through 5, your students will access Sims and other apps by navigating to the URL of the Student Apps page in their browser. As the teacher, you too can access the digital apps by typing in the Student Apps page URL, but you also have the ability to connect to it directly from within your Global Navigation menu. You would do that by selecting this icon with the small orange and blue squares with the label Elementary Student Apps underneath. Students in grades 6 through 8, meanwhile, will see the sim icons in their own Global Navigation menu, just like their teacher does. One more unique feature of the Global Navigation menu in grades 6 through 8 is the inclusion of this other icon with a colorful hexagon in the middle. This feature will be used by both teachers and students in every engineering internship unit. Again, there will be a link in the activity instructions when the future workspace is needed, but this icon in the Global Navigation menu will provide you with quick access to it. Last, all teachers will see two gray icons that have a light bulb in the middle. These represent additional resources that you can use to find help and more information about the Amplify Science program. The gray help icon will bring you to the help site that I mentioned earlier. Here, you can search for any topic that you have questions about. The other gray icon in the Global Navigation menu is the Program Guide icon. The Program Guide icon will take you to the Amplify Science Program Guide, which contains a lot of helpful information. This includes things like insights into the pedagogy of the program, unit alignment, information about the authors, and much, much more. So now I'd encourage you to go ahead and explore your own Global Navigation menu to get a feel for what's there. If you have any questions about anything you find or anything you expected to find but didn't, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our support team. We are always happy to help.